PowerBright 1100 watts power inverter 12 volt DC to 110 volt AC, pros and cons. Pros. Excellent technical support. A well-built inverter. Quiet operation. Many people say good price and good product. It comes with high-quality battery cables. Cons. Some people faced problems to replace the fuses. Physically, it does not look like what looked in the picture. It does not allow a way to replace the fuses. Mounting brackets are of plastic material, they should be metal brackets for good applications. The PowerBright 1100 watt inverter is not good for those devices that require 1100 watt input power. Therefore, it fails to deliver the 1100 watt output. Of course, it is good for devices under 800 watt input power requirement. That's it, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.